Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Windows 11 25H2 update not showing on your settings. So follow my step. I will show you guys how to fix this issue. At first you just need to open settings. For that you just need to right click on your start menu and click on settings, or else you can press Windows plus I together from your keyboard to open settings. After open settings window, click on Windows update. So after that, click on check for update. Make sure that get the latest update as soon as they are available option is on. The next method is you just need to go to your start or search window and type services.msc. After that, press enter from your keyboard. Now find Windows update service option. So here it is, as you can see. Simply right click on it and you need to click on simply stop. After done, you just need to right click once again and click on properties, and startup type you have to set here automatic. Click on apply, then OK. Now again you just need to right click and click on start. After that, close this window and go to your settings window and go to Windows update section. Click on check for updates. If still you are facing same issue, then simply you need to go to your my computer, go to this PC and go under C drive, find Windows folder, go under that folder, under Windows folder, find software distribution folder. So delete everything under this folder. So basically this is your update download folder. So simply delete all the files and folder. After done, you need to go to your settings once again and click check for updates, and it will solve your problem. Also, you can manually download the update using Microsoft Update Catalog. Simply go to this website. I will give the link on my video description, and after that find this package over here and click on search. So I hope this quick tutorial is ready here for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.